Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video we are going to be doing like station roulette sort of on the London Underground, because in total there is 255 stations on the network, and I've got literally ChatGPT to list all of them right here. So it's going to decide where we go. So I'm literally just going to type now, name me one of the stations off the list. And then whatever station we get off the list, that is the one we're going to go to, and see what's like at the station and what's near it and like around the area. And yeah, so literally this is the moment of truth. I'm just going to ask it right now. Name me one of the stations from the list. Let's see what we get. Right. The one it's named is a video I've already done on. So I'm not going to do that because it says Baker Street and I've already actually got a video coming up on that. Or it might be an editing stage or something at the minute, but yeah, there is a video what I've got on Baker Street, so we're not going to do that one. I'll say name a different one instead. Right. Angel. Okay. Right. I don't think I've ever been to Angel, you know. Like, we've got Angel. I know it's not too far from Old Street. I think it's on the Northern Line Bank branch. So it's like, I think it's in between, if I'm right, it's in between King's Cross and Old Street. It's in the centre there, I'm pretty sure. So that is where we're going to head off to. So let's go there. Right guys, so we're just at London Bridge, about to get on the tube to Angel. I think it's only a few stops, but we're literally coming up to station right now, and let's get to Angel and scan our oyster at the barrier and get on. It's very busy today. Getting on the Northern Line. It is Christmas, so it's bound to be very busy. I thought there was severe delays on the Northern Line, but hopefully it's cleared up now. I think it was due to a signal fault at Morden or something it was saying. But hopefully we'll be alright. We'll find out when there's like a 20-minute wait. Yep, there is definitely severe delays. The platform is manic and there's nothing for 5 minutes, so everything is not running too good. Right, so we're at Angel Station. Couldn't really video on that train because it was so manic, but there's literally no room at all. But we're here, just walking down the corridor to exit the station. And I've never been to this one before, so we'll see what it's like. Right, so we've made it outside to Angel Station. I'm not going to lie, there's literally not a lot here. I thought there would have been more. I do actually remember coming here a long time ago to get a bus, but I've never used the station before. And I remember I think there's a shopping centre nearby, but there's not a whole lot of stuff really, to be honest with you. But this is the view from where we are currently. That's the station that's under construction, so it doesn't really look like a station at the minute. But there's not really a whole lot here. I don't know why Well, it was Baker Street, the other option, wasn't it? Got some nice lights in the tree though. That's pretty cool. Up there. Yeah, we'll cross over because I think this is where it's all happening over here. I've got 10 seconds to cross. We can do it when you're being queued. Nah, that was a bit cringe actually. Yeah, there's not really a lot here though. I thought there'd be a bit more, to be fair. I think there's some sort of market, it's saying, over here, so we'll walk down here and see what we can find. You know, these line bikes are literally everywhere. So many. They are a good thing, I do think, because you can literally get around London anywhere with them bikes, so it is quite cool. And I think it's like £4 for 30 minutes with 3 unlocks, so that's not too bad. Saying that, my pass hasn't run out because I got one yesterday. This is the street I came down with. It was like 3 o'clock in the morning once I finished work. Cross at the zebra crossing and then see what's down here. It's completely different compared to now at 3 o'clock in the morning. Right, let's have a look then. Got some bar. This is like the main road of Angel, to be honest. It's just full of markets everywhere. It reminds me of like when you go on holiday and you go to one of the markets here with all the different stuff. Because to be fair, you don't really see a lot of these days. Some massive suitcases there. I think this is the McDonald's up here where I did go, because it's open 24 hours and it was like 3 a.m. in the morning, so you know, McDonald's comes in clutch. Well, yeah, it just seems like the market around here really. Then a few other shops as well. Seems like we're coming to the end of it, to be fair. So, that is Angel. Tell me what you think in comments. I thought it was okay, it's not the best. There are a lot better places to go in London if you are here. But yeah, if you did enjoy the video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, and that is Station Roulette with ChatGPT. So, if you want to see more videos or if you've got any ideas, let me know in comments and I'll do it for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.